In the tapestry of our spiritual journey, there are moments when the universe seems to pull us into isolation. Far from being a random occurrence, these periods of solitude are purposeful, offering profound lessons for those on a quest for spiritual growth. Today, we explore 4 reasons why the universe isolates you in your spiritual journey. 1. The cocoon of self-discovery. In the cocoon of isolation, much like a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly, you enter a sacred space where worldly distractions dissipate. This solitude is a profound journey into the core of your being. Guided by the universe, you engage in self-discovery, asking fundamental questions that echo in the silence. Who are you beyond the external noise? What dreams and fears emerge when the chaos subsides? Embrace this cocoon, for within it your spiritual wings unfurl, allowing you to soar to new heights of self-awareness and understanding. 2. Detoxifying the soul. Isolation serves as a profound spiritual detox akin to a refreshing cleanse for your soul. When enveloped in solitude, the universe graciously offers you a pristine canvas, urging you to scrutinize the beliefs that have molded your very essence. In this sacred space, shed the layers of societal expectations that may have obscured your authentic self. It's a deliberate act of liberation, not a punishment. This detoxification process is a sacred journey, a deliberate reclaiming of your genuine beliefs, allowing you to realign with the divine rhythm of the universe. As you strip away the borrowed skin, you emerge purified, harmonizing with the cosmic symphony that guides your spiritual journey. 3. Navigating spiritual independence. Solitude serves as the guiding path towards spiritual independence, a transformative journey of self-empowerment. Within the serene embrace of isolation, you embark on a profound course where life's intricate complexities become your classroom. In the hushed moments, a revelation unfolds, the discovery of an inner strength that flourishes when resilience becomes your sole recourse. Trust becomes your beacon as you navigate the solitary terrain, where the ability to unravel problems, make decisions, and safeguard your well-being becomes second nature. This independence is not a call to solitude for solitude's sake. Instead, it's a deliberate preparation for relationships of depth and bonds that are unassailable. As you cultivate this spiritual independence, you become a beacon of strength, not only for yourself but for the interconnected tapestry of relationships waiting to unfold. 4. Harmony with the divine symphony. The universe doesn't isolate you to abandon you. Rather, it extends a divine invitation. In moments of solitude, you find yourself standing at the very threshold of the divine, liberated from distractions and poised to discover the universal truth. Engage in practices that deeply resonate with your soul, such as prayer, meditation, or immersing yourself in sacred texts. Your solitude acts as a refining process for your spiritual connection, enabling you to attune yourself to the subtle whispers of the divine. These whispers guide you towards a profound understanding of your role in the grand cosmic symphony. Embrace these periods of isolation within your spiritual journey, recognizing them not as obstacles, but as essential stepping stones. Consider them precious gifts bestowed by the universe, meticulously designed to mold you into the enlightened being that is your destined evolution. May the divine spirit be a constant guiding presence in your journey. Conclusion. As you navigate the intricate tapestry of your spiritual journey, remember that the universe's decision to isolate you is not a mere coincidence. It is a deliberate act of cosmic orchestration, molding you into the person you are meant to be. Embrace solitude not as a punishment but as a sacred gift, a cocoon of self-discovery, a cleansing of the soul, a path to spiritual independence, and an invitation to harmonize with the divine symphony. When you emerge from these periods of isolation, you will find that you were never truly alone. You were cradled in the loving embrace of a universe that believes in your capacity to heal, love, and transform. So treasure these moments, for they are the catalysts for your evolution. Each trial, each silence, is a brushstroke painting the masterpiece of your spiritual journey. May the lessons learned in solitude be your guiding light. May the wisdom gained from isolation be the key to unlocking the doors of enlightenment. As you continue on your path, may the divine spirit walk with you, ever present, ever guiding. This journey is not solitary. It's a harmonious dance between you and the cosmic forces that surround you. If these insights resonate with you, or if you have your own experiences to share, please comment below. Your journey is a unique thread woven into the fabric of existence, and your story has the power to inspire others on their quest for spiritual awakening. May the divine spirit be with you always. Have a blessed and transformative journey. for it is in these sacred moments of solitude that you discover the extraordinary within the ordinary.